Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a kitchen deep clean, so do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it.
Yes, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
So instead of running around like a headless chicken trying to get the whole house done, I've decided to break it up and do one room at a time. My bedroom deep clean is already up on my channel. If you haven't seen it, I will have it linked at the top for you. But today is all about the kitchen, and I love doing the kitchen anyway. So when I've got the whole day just to focus on the kitchen, this was a good day. I really did enjoy doing this. So the first thing I needed to do was just get rid of any rubbish, put the washing up away and just declutter everything so I can go in and give it a much more deeper clean.
Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
So once I had all that done, I did go ahead and dry up straight away just so I could declutter the sink and then go straight in and give the sink a good clean. And honestly, with hindsight, I wish I didn't do the sink first, but because this was just my normal everyday routine, I just did it how I normally would do it. But you'll see a little bit later on in the video that I probably shouldn't have cleaned the sink out first of all, because I do deep clean the oven and everything and I need the sink. So little bit of a rookie mistake, but it doesn't matter because I enjoy doing the sink anyway. So the first thing I use is my sift cream just to get any stuck on food and grime off of it. I then go back in with a dry microfiber cloth and the white vinegar spray just to buff it up and make it super shiny.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
Time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we.
So I'm now going in with the pink stuff paste on the hob, and to be completely honest, I was really disappointed when I first bought this product. I didn't like it at all, and I bought it to use on the sink, and I think it's just because I'm in love with the sift cream. Like, I'm not going to find anything I like better for the sink, but when I first got it I really was disappointed until I used it on the hob and the oven, and it is like magic. I am obsessed with it now and I use it on the hob all the time, and doing the oven was so much easier with this stuff, so I can definitely recommend it now, and I'm really glad that I stuck at it and gave it another go.
Every single hour with you vanished just like that. But now it feels like I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good, so why we dragging out when we've been doing everything we could? I don't wanna feel so lonely tonight. Every
So once I had all that done, I then wanted to move on to the oven, and I don't actually remember the last time I gave this a good scrub, like a proper from top to toe deep clean. So that's what I wanted to do today. So I'm going to empty out all of the baking trays and racks and everything and just give it a good scrub over using the pink stuff paste. So not only does this work like magic, but it is so satisfying to scrub it on. I really enjoyed doing this. It definitely destroyed my Minky. I need to pop to B&M and pick up another one because I've only got the one at the moment, and I've been using this one now for a couple of months. So definitely need a new one, and this is definitely a good excuse to buy one because it honestly just turned it like black by the end. It was so gross. So I will be popping to B&M and getting some more Minkies, but I just thought this was so satisfying to do. So like I said at the beginning of the video, cleaning the sink first thing was a bit of a rookie mistake because I do make an absolute mess at the sink now doing all of the trays and the racks and everything, but I was amazed at how clean these racks actually turned out. I wasn't expecting them to get as clean as they did, so I am going to show you once I've done one compared to the other one. So if you haven't used the paste before, you can definitely check that out and you'll know exactly what you're getting. But yeah, I was amazed that it worked so well on these racks. I just thought it would stay stained, and yeah, I didn't realise that they would actually come up so clean. Believe the difference, so I wanted to show you both of them next to each other. I think this one does need to have another go over because it's got like these bits in here that are really hard to get to, but if you actually see, if it will focus, how clean these bits are compared to what it was, like it's so disgusting, but it just comes up so well. So I definitely do recommend the pink stuff paste for the oven because you can definitely see a difference.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being
So I did go ahead and clean out the sink again, but I didn't think you'd want to watch that twice in one video, so I just went and did that off camera. And now I'm just going to fill the sink up with some hot water and Sephora so I can go around and give everything a good wipe over, including all of the appliances and everything, just to make sure it's all disinfected and smelling gorgeous. I'm using the mandarin and lime still, but I do need to try and find some more scents, more sort of spring, summer scents, because my cupboard is still packed with the winter ones and I'm just not feeling that anymore. I really want spring to be here, so I want some more spring smelling fragrances. So do let me know down below what your favourite spring scent is and what you use throughout spring and summer.
Nothing more to say, let's just waste away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe. How do we end up here in the corner? Look.
So once I had everything wiped over, I did go over and do the windowsill as well, just to make sure that it looks nice and clean. But I didn't do the windows. I know that I did them in the bedroom, but I did have a quick look at these ones and they weren't mouldy or anything and they look clean. So I'm just going to save the windows until I do my spring cleaning, and that's when all of the windows in the house get cleaned, as well as all of the carpets in the house. So as I'm going to be doing that in the next few weeks, I thought I would save the windows until then. So I'm now just going to go in and give it a good hoover and a mop and just make sure the floor is nice and disinfected and smelling beautiful, because I do add the Sephora into my steam mop as well, just to tie all the fragrances together. But I really hope you have enjoyed today's video. If it's given you the motivation to deep clean your kitchen as well, do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here in the next one.
Here